This is the reference letter given by Mr. J.S. Bhatia, General Manager, retired of ECIL. This letter was signed by him on 9th June 1995. This is what he has to say. Mr. C. Murali Krishna worked under me in the Control Systems Group of Electronics Corporation of India Limited from 1980 till November 1989, when he left to join Tata Consultancy Services. During this period, he worked in production engineering and industrial engineering areas besides information technology. He took the lead in implementing computer-aided design, first in our organization in 1986, very successfully. He was instrumental in computerizing our material management on a 10-node PC-80 based novel network, which was another first for our organization. He was deputed to Godavari Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited in August 1987 for 8 months to set up EDP department in that organization. Mr. Murali Krishna is a very highly creative individual with zeal for seeking innovation in his field of work. He is very sincere, hard-working, with never say die spirit. It is my considered opinion that Mr. Murali Krishna will be an asset to any organization that employs him. Signed, J.S. Bhatia, General Manager, IG. This is the recommendation letter given by Mr. N.V. Krishna, who was the resident manager for Tata Consultancy Services, Hyderabad, where Mr. Murali Chemuturi worked from 89 December till 95 June. This is what the letter says. This is given on 31st May 1995, when the last working day of Murali Chemuturi at Tata Consultancy Services. Mr. C. Murali Krishna had worked with me in Tata Consultancy Services, Hyderabad branch, from December 1989 to May 1992. During this period, he handled software projects marketing and training activities for the branch, conducting continuing education programs in-house for the consultancy staff and the the client training programs for various clients on computer related topics. For his efforts, he was awarded an Best Faculty Award in 1991. During this period, I found Mr. C. Murali Krishna to be knowledgeable, diligent, thorough, hardworking, and sincere. He had consistently achieved excellent results. I recommend him wholeheartedly to a position of responsibility in any professional organization and is confident of his delivering the results. Signed, N.V. Krishna, Manager, Systems. This is the letter given by Mr. G.K. Prasad, Resident Manager of Tata Consultancy Services, at the time of Murali Chemuturi leaving TCS on 31st May 1995. Mr. C. Murali Krishna had worked with me in Tata Consultancy Services Secunderabad branch from June 1992 to February 1995. During this period, he worked as group leader and handled data processing projects, share accounting including public issues and share transfers, and software projects of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Steel Authority of India Limited. I found Mr. C. Muralikrishna to be knowledgeable, diligent, thorough, hardworking, and sincere. He had consistently achieved excellent results. I have no hesitation to recommend him to a position of responsibility in any professional organization. G.K. Prasad, Senior Consultant. This is a letter given to Murali Chimuturi in 1998, 11th October, for the Best Project Award. This is given by Metamor Global Solutions Limited. 11th October 1998, Team Award for Exceptional Quality. Dear Mr. C. Muralikrishna, the management is pleased to nominate your Riviana team as the winner of the Team Award for Exceptional Quality in ACE 400. This entitles you as a member of the team to an award of 8,000 rupees. The management congratulates you and your team on getting this award and hopes that you and your team will continue to strive for excellence and attaining at greater heights performance-wise and during your long and fruitful association with the company to follow. Check number 41176 dated 11th October 98 for requisite amount is enclosed. With best wishes, yours sincerely, Ram Mainampati, Deputy Managing Director, Technical. Parminder S. Miglani, Deputy Managing Director, Operations. This letter is given by Professor E.G. Parmeshwaran of Department of Business Management, Osmania University, Hyderabad. This is given on 1st June 1995. To whomsoever it may concern, Mr. C. Muralikrishna is known to me since 1984 as a student of Master of Business Administration evening course conducted by our Department of Osmania University. He studied from 1984 to 87. During that period, I found him to be meritorious, hardworking, and regular student with excellent manners. Later on, he registered as a research scholar part-time of Osmania University under my guidance and supervision in 1992 and has been working with me in the area of creativity. In these 11 years of acquaintance, I found Mr. C. Muralikrishna to be reliable, hardworking, and sincere in nature and meritorious in studies. I have no hesitation to state that his conduct and character are excellent to the best of my knowledge and belief. I wish him all the best in his future endeavors. Professor E.G. Parmeshwaran. This letter is given by Father Philip, a senior father of the Society of Jesuits, which runs the Loyola institutions and St. Patrick's institutions in India. He was at that time in Loyola Academy, and this letter was given to me on 10th June 1995. To whomsoever it may concern, I have known Mr. C. Muralikrishna since 1987 when he volunteered to conduct computer awareness and basic programming for the staff of St. Patrick's High School, Secunderabad, which he did free of charge. Subsequently, he assisted us in setting up a computer lab for teaching computers to the students which was the first of its kind in the city. He kept in constant touch with me ever since. To the best of my knowledge and belief, Mr. Murali Krishna is a man of character. He is reliable and a man of his word. He often volunteers for social without any expectation of monetary returns. It is my considered opinion that Mr. Murali Krishna is an asset to the society he lives in.